Being compliant with privacy regulations is really important as it protects you and allows you to build trust with your customers. But what if the regulators come knocking on your door trying to check if you're truly compliant? Let me explain the steps that you need to take to make sure that you are ready for that audit. This video is specifically tailored for GDPR, but it also applies to other privacy regulations. As a first step, you need to set up your store, and it requires making sure that you have the basic GDPR compliance requirements sorted out. That is, a strict banner that does not allow non-strictly necessary cookies prior to consent, a privacy policy, a data subject request page, and the ability to reopen the banner and change consent preferences. If you're using Shopify with Pandectes, I have a GDPR compliance playlist down in the description. You can just check it out, follow the steps, and you will be GDPR compliant. We also recommend hiring a data protection officer or a lawyer who specializes in data protection in order to help you fine-grain your privacy policy and check over your entire organization in order to find any points that could be a vulnerability so you can fix them. In general, you need to keep track of the consents that you get in case of an audit. With Pandectes, this is done automatically, and you can see it in the consent report. So if a regulator needs to verify a consent, you already have that. Make sure that the consent management platform that you're using has this feature. Finally, if you're using Pandectes, you can always contact our support team, and we will check over every detail of your setup to make sure that you are ready for that audit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or contact us through our support. And don't forget to subscribe in order to get notified of any new updates in the privacy space.